All right, so I'm going to share what I believe to be the future of affiliate marketing. And if you are thinking about starting affiliate marketing or you are a current affiliate, this should be the way that you run your business moving forward. Now, we are going to be using AI, but I'm not just going to come on here and be like, oh, use AI to write your Facebook ads or use AI to create a VSL for the offer that you choose from ClickBank. It's actually going to be using a strategy that I honestly don't see many people talking about. So if we look at the affiliate marketing space, what is like the two main ways that people tell you how to run affiliate marketing? Well, it's way number one is what you can see on the screen right now, which is you run traffic, typically like a Facebook ad, and you run that ad and it's going to look something a little bit similar to what you can see on the screen. And you run that ad to a bridge page. So a bridge page is basically the bridge between your ad and your affiliate offer. Obviously, you can't run the ad straight to the affiliate offer because Facebook ain't going to get like that and they're going to ban you. So you can't do that. So we send them to the bridge page. We put a bit of information on the offer on the bridge page. You'll see a lot of the pages will look something similar to this: headline, image, a bit of text, and then a CTA button to click through. And then what happens when you click this button? It doesn't ask for your name, your email address. It just sends you directly to a link. And that link is going to be the affiliate offer on ClickBank. And you can typically see it because it'll have ClickBank at the top of the page here. So this is like standard affiliate marketing 101. And people have honestly made obviously a shit ton of money with this strategy for the longest time. Or they'll say strategy number 2, which will look something similar to this, where again, we're running traffic, typically with Facebook ads, but different traffic sources as well. And instead of saying, hey, just send them to a bridge page and then the affiliate offer, they'll say, no, you need to collect the name and email address. You need to build your email list because that's like the business's most valuable asset, blah, 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 right? So they'll send you to an opt-in page where you'll offer like a free gift or a free lead magnet, a free training, a free PDF. They'll enter the name and email address. You get them on your email list and then you'll follow up with them via email and you will send them the affiliate offer. So these are like the two main ways, and people say one's better than the other. Personally, I've had more success with this top way, but this can work, depends on the niche and the funnel economics. Now, that's a really important thing to note, is that the reason why these worked so well for so long is because the economics worked out. What do I mean by economics? It's just a fancy word that I use for math, which is basically what we're doing here is we're paying Facebook X amount of money, and they're going to send those people from the Facebook platform to the bridge page. A percentage of these people are going to then go to the affiliate offer, right? So let's just say, and then a percentage of that is going to buy, and you're going to earn a commission from that. The problem with this right now is that obviously ads, as we all know, they have become a little bit more expensive, right? And it's now costing us more to get people to click our ads on Facebook. So it's becoming more expensive. Challenge number 2 is that these affiliate offers, they're becoming more competitive. So more and more affiliates are coming into the space. You've also got more and more offers that are solving similar problems. How many weight loss offers out there are there? Millions of them. Like in every vertical, in every niche, everyone's entering the market. So the competition has massively increased. So what does this mean? This means the conversions of people that buy this offer is decreasing. Now, you don't need to be a mathematician to understand that if the price of something is increasing and the conversion is decreasing, then that's not a good equation for you. You're going to make less and less money. And what we're finding now is that a lot of affiliates are trying this, especially if they're new and they don't have that much experience with advertising. They're just finding that whatever ads they try, whatever offers they try and get from Digistore or ClickBank, they just can't get this way to be profitable. Like the money it costs to get someone to click the ad, and the percentage drop off, because obviously not 100% of people are going to click, right? Let's just say 75% of people click through to this page. And then the conversion on this page, plus the percentage, you might only get 50% commission, 60% commission of the sale, even, it could be like 90% commission of the sale, whatever it is, you're just not going to make money. So what you'll find typically, even if you have a good offer and you've selected the right offer on ClickBank and you're running okay ads, in a day you could spend $100, but you're only making $60 back in commission. And then you do that over the case of a couple of weeks or the case of a month, and you're losing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And this is what so many new affiliates are experiencing. They're looking on ClickBank, they see the gravity score, they see that it should be selling well, they see other people selling the offer, but whatever they do inside their ad account with the funnel, the bridge page, whatever they try, they just can't get the math to work out. And they'll test an offer for a couple of weeks, realize it won't work, they'll go to another offer, they'll do the same again, and you'll find yourself 2-3 months into the affiliate game, and you've just lost a load of money. And you just, again, rightfully so, you could label it as, hey, this doesn't work anymore. So that's why this way is pretty difficult to get profitable. And again, with this, because we're not building the email list, as soon as someone comes to this page and then they leave, you can't contact them again. You can't email them again. You can't follow up with them again. You really need to get these people to buy on the first point of purchase. And that can be difficult because, again, the whole market is becoming more sophisticated. People are more aware of these different businesses selling products online. So they might go to the sales page and then they'll think about it. They'll go and Google some stuff. They'll go and search on social media. They'll go and search on YouTube, and they'll assess their options. When I first started in 2016, it wasn't really like that. People would click an ad and they'd just buy straight away, because being able to search different alternatives on YouTube and TikTok and these social platforms, that wasn't really in our culture. It wasn't even in our way of thinking. It was just like, oh, this is the website. This is the only place I can buy it. These days, some people go to a sales page and they click off, and they're going to go and search on TikTok to find out if it's legit. If there's any other solutions, they might search on Amazon to see if they can find something cheaper, if we're talking like supplements and stuff like that. So that's why this way is now losing most people money. Again, you can still make it work, but it's definitely become a lot more challenging. Now, if we look at the other way of doing affiliate marketing, then again, the cost of this is increasing. So again, the ads are still becoming more expensive. And what I've typically found with this way is that because you're offering something for free, all these people who sit on your email list, they're only really interested in buying stuff. Not even buying stuff, getting stuff for free. They're not really joining your email list with any intention to make a purchase. They just want to get something for free. So what we found is, even if you do build an email list of a couple of hundred people, or maybe even 1,000 plus people, you'll be emailing them every single day to your different affiliate offers, and you might get like 1 or 2 sales. And you'll find that most people aren't going to buy the affiliate offer. So similar to scenario 1, you could be a new affiliate and you pick a good offer and you find the good ads, you funnel hack the competitors, you look what ads are running in the meta ads library, and you're like, hey, okay, this is going to work. And what you'll find is that in your first couple of weeks, maybe you spend 500, maybe you spend, 1K on ads. And I found this to be even worse conversions where, okay, you might end up with, let's just say, 250 people on your email list, and you'll get like 1 sale. So you spent $500, you spent $1,000, and you've maybe made like $50 to $100 back in commission. And again, depends on the offer, depends on your ads, depends how good your copywriting is. But I found, again, for most people, especially new people starting out in the space, this is the scenario that people get through time and time again. And 1 minute, you're creating an email list of people who are interested in health. The next minute, you're creating an email list of people who are interested in like digital marketing and how to make money. And then you're starting making email lists on relationships. And before you know it, you've got like 2, 3, 4 different email lists with about a couple of hundred people on it each. And you've got like 2 customers. And again, you've just wasted like 2-3 months of your time. And you're like, I can't work. So what I found, because of the introduction to AI, you can actually combine pretty much like a little bit of like the both of these strategies to make the most profitable way to do affiliate marketing. Now, this is what I recommend. So what we do is we're still running ads directly to the offer. So we're not initially we're not sending people to a lead magnet, but we're also not sending them to a bridge page. We're sending them to a sales page of a low ticket offer made with AI. Because you would have seen different videos and tutorials, and maybe I'll do a different deep dive video on this as well, is that because of tools like ChatGPT and Claude, we can very easily create low ticket offers for different niches. So for example, I'm not saying you should, but a basic example is you could create an online PDF, a guide on how to lose weight. You could create an online PDF or guide on how to be a better parent or how to communicate better in your relationships. Or you could create, a guide on the best prompts to use for ChatGPT. You can see now, because we got AI and we can tap into that resource and we can get them to create low ticket offers. And when I say low ticket, it could be anywhere from like $7 to, $21, $27. It's not like a super expensive thing because all we're selling is like an online PDF. But anyone now can pretty much make some form of low ticket product or offer with AI in any niche they want to. So the barriers are completely broken. And what we do then is, instead of sending people to someone else's offer straight away and getting 50% of the sale or 60% of the sale, and instead of sending someone to an opt-in page where we're just building an email list of freebie seekers, we're technically sending someone to a page with our own offer that we own. So if we sell this product for $27, let's say, then we're going to keep $27 of that. And not only that, we're now building an email list of buyers. So not freebie seekers. The only people who are joining our email list are people who have already paid us money. So the chances are that they're going to continue to pay us money is a lot higher than if they're just a free lead who was seeking some form of like free download. So this email list of buyers is infinitely more valuable than what most people do in affiliate marketing, which is build a list of freebie seekers. And then what we do after that is that then we send them the affiliate offer in emails. And again, the conversion rate of people who buy the affiliate offer is a lot higher than this example, because again, this email list full of freebie seekers, this email list full of people who have already said, hey, yes, I'm willing to pay money to help solve this particular problem that I'm struggling with, right? So the key here though, and this is what we don't want to do, because we still got this problem, right? We've still got the problem of ads increasing. And this is why we changed to this model, because the math works out. Because what we're relying on here with this example is that we can run an ad, we can send someone basically to a sales page, and we can become profitable when we only take 60% of the sale. Again, it used to work really well. Now ads more expensive, conversion rates are lower. That math doesn't work out. We're spending more to get a customer than we actually make from that customer. But now, because we own 100% of the sale, sorry, not this one. With this, because we own 100% of the sale, the money that we make from that initial sale is now 100% versus 50%. So that allows us to basically break even at least on the front end. And even if you can't break even on a $27 product, then you can also make an upsell. Again, you can make it with AI. For example, you could create a workout plan. And again, this isn't the best example, but it's just an easy example for us to all understand. You could make a workout plan that says, hey, do this, 10-minute at home workout plan that helps you lose weight, right? And that could be your front low ticket product. Then the upsell that they see after they purchase this is say, hey, now you've got the workout plan. Do you want the diet plan, right? And you could provide them like a diet that they could follow. Super basic example. I'm not saying that's the best example, but that's the point, is that you can make these types of products with AI. And again, this could be $27, it could be $17, it could be $37, depending on what it is. But again, you can make these types of products in any niche because we can use AI to actually help us create that. So now what we can do in the worst case scenario is that, yes, the ads have increased, but now because we're sending them directly to a sales page that we own, so we don't have to lose people on the bridge page. So on here, let's say for example, you might lose 25% of people who go to this bridge page and they're like, nah, I don't want to click this button, I'm leaving. So you've already lost 25% of the people that you've already paid Facebook for. With this example, we're keeping 100% of that because there's no bridge page. And we're sending them to a sales page for an offer we own. And if someone purchases that, we keep 100% of the money. So now basically the math is within our favor, because now we keep 100% of all of this. So it now becomes very easy for us to recoup the ad costs that we're spending. But the trick here is that we're not now forced to make money on the first purchase. Again, in this example, we're kind of forced, hey, if we don't make money, if we don't make profit on this front end sale, then we're kind of fucked, right? That's because that's the only chance we have of making money. With this example, because now we own the customer and we own the data, we're now building our email list. And this is now where we make the money. Because we've spent money to acquire the customer, we've now broke even. So let's just say in a given day, we might spend $100 on ads. And let's just say we get 4 of these customers. That means we've made there or thereabouts $100 back. Now that's not an unrealistic scenario. So now our accountant will be like, okay, you'll break even. And that's good. Because then what we can do is then offer these people, hey, do you want to upgrade to this affiliate offer? And the affiliate offer again could be in our niche. So if we don't go in with the weight loss example, we could sell them supplements that help with weight loss. And, whatever affiliate offer you want to pick from ClickBank or, the different platforms. And then you can sell them that. And let's just say then, okay, one of these people purchase the supplement stack, and you can make easy, $50 to $100 off that affiliate sale. And if it's only $50, then okay, the next day with ads, you spend $200, you make $200 on the front end, and then you sell, 2 people into the affiliate offer on the back end. Now, I've been testing this out recently, and you can see here, this is my ROAS. So this is how much we made on the front end on ads. So you can see, and this is only like a little test that we're doing, but this is basically, and I know this screen's getting a little bit messy now, so I'm using lots of different colors. This top part here, for the last couple of days, we made $250 profit. So we're even doing better than break even. But again, you can break even. That would be the goal. Obviously, we're at super teeny tiny scale right now. So I'm not showing you these numbers to impress you because they're not very impressive, but I'm just showing a real life example of the model. And then you want to break even or make a little bit of money. And then below here, you can sell them affiliate offers, which we've done on the back end. You can see the promos here. Yesterday, for example, we made $183 in affiliates. So you can see for the month so far, 6 days in, about $678. Again, that's not impressive. Okay, it's not. I know for some of you, that might sound cool. For a lot of you watching this, you're like, what the fuck? I don't even get out of bed for $600. So I get it. I'm not showing you the numbers to be like, oh, super impressive, but just showing you kind of like how the model can work. And I think this is going to be especially useful for the more beginner people who are maybe just starting out, who are maybe very interested in earning, an extra $50 to $100 a day, earning an extra, $1,000 to $5,000 per month. And a lot of you would have actually attempted affiliate marketing before, struggled with these 2 models. And this is why I think anyone with the introduction of AI and how easy it is to make these low ticket offers, this is why I believe that anyone can use this, even if you are a beginner, to start making money with affiliate marketing.